Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. It's Rubz. Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, it's kind of different video because I'm gonna teach you how I import my audio or the music in my Kinemaster using iOS or using my iPhone, because I believe sharing is caring. So if you're wondering, or if there are other tutorials that already teaches you how to do so, I'm so sorry, but I saw that also in YouTube, but it doesn't work on. So you're today just a quick video for you on how I edit my video. You can do this even if you're premium or not. Even if I don't know if this works with Android as well, because you know it's easier to import music using Android than iOS. So this technique or this way is working for me, and I hope it will work in your phone too. So there you go. Please watch this.
So let's go to the Kinemaster app. Then choose the video you want to edit. So I will edit this one. This is my vlog intro. So as you can see, there is no background music in this intro. So if you're using Premium Kinemaster, you can download all of the music you want for background music, but for those who are using the basic one, you can use this technique. So another thing, there is a tutorial I saw that you can just click your downloaded video and click share to Kinemaster, but unfortunately that doesn't work in my phone. So here's what I'm doing. Just go to layer and choose media. Then look for the downloaded video. So there you go. To be able to retain just the audio of the video, just click this one. Alpha opacity. And make it from 100 to 0. So there you go, guys. Funny guys, because while I edit this video, I discovered that there is a new update to Kinemaster which directly import the audio in your video. So this is how I do it, guys. Watch this. So same process, guys. Just go to layer and then choose the video and then choose extract audio. So as you can see, the audio will be separated to the video, so you can now delete the video and then the audio will retain. See? There you go, guys.
So that is it, guys. That's how I edit my video. I hope that helps you as well, because I'm using that way too. So I hope to see you in the next one. Oh, you can comment down any suggestions you want to learn to Kinemaster or anything. See ya!